Hey, what's going on, everybody? Moto here. As you can see, I got a new lid. This AGV K5S helmet. Stay tuned for the unboxing and the review. Glad you guys stick around and watch the unboxing. Right now I'm gonna do a little bit of review on it, and after the review I'm gonna tell you how it is driving around. So get back to you guys. All right. This is the K5S helmet from AGV. AGV is a very premium design in Italy, and this is one of the mid-range price point sport helmets. This helmet goes from sizes extra small to extra large. The shell of this helmet is a combination of fiberglass and carbon, very light and strong. It's DOT and ECE certified, has a multi-density EPS. It has different densities, so you have optimal crush features in case of impact. The AGV K5S has 5 vents in the front and a large vent in the back. It also has a micro opening system in the front. It has a drop-down sun shield. It has a horseshoe-shaped antimicrobial liner with a chin curtain. The inside liner of this helmet, the way it was designed, has no pressure points. As you see over here, the way the helmet is curved is to protect us from collarbone injury in case of an accident. So this is my AGV K5S helmet Hurracain graphic. So guys, right off the bat, I feel that this helmet is very, very quiet inside. It's very windy today. Very windy. It's just a nice day out, man. It's been raining here all week. This is probably like the first day, rideable day, unless you don't have no other way of transporting yourself besides a motorcycle. Gladly I have a car, so didn't get wet. But as you see right now, I'm doing almost 70 miles an hour on Route 78, and it's very, very windy. The only thing I like about it is, as I'm moving like this man is very light compared to my Hurracain. This is as 3 pounds 2 ounces, I guess. Look at these guys over here. All right, man. And I really like the style of it. I was gonna try a wired mic, but I'm rocking my Cena because I'm about to make a long trip this summer, but I figured out a way to do it. I have a tank bag. I'm gonna put my external battery with a cable connected right through here, and it's charging my Cena backpack and my camera at the same time. So I don't even need a battery in the camera. That's how cool this was. So I'm getting all prepared for this long trip. I'll tell you guys more or less where we're going. We were thinking about going to Tennessee, but I guess it was a bit change of plans because some people can go. Dude, and as you see right now, it's so windy, it's not even funny. but inside of the helmet it seems pretty quiet. But I feel the wind in all of my body. So this is just my first ride review of my AGV K5S helmet, Hurracain graphic. You know, solids go for around 350 bucks, 370 bucks. And I guess like this, with like these designs, as you see right here, the Hurracains, and they go for like 4 to 450. Not a bad investment for a great helmet. These vents are awesome. I have a big exhaust in the back. I even have the front vents closed because it's so windy, and I feel pretty good. So yeah, man, hope you guys like this little review. If you did, leave it in the comments below. And if you really like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, man. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, man. It always helps the channel grow a little bit and keep us motivated to do more videos. All right, so I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.